My most hated console. Right, so the charge port is mangled. Hopefully, please let it just be the charge port and nothing else, because these things are a nightmare. If you're going to get yourself a console, get yourself a PS5. Don't get yourself one of these. It's a glorified waste paper basket. It really is. They're horrible, horrible consoles. It basically sucks in all the crap, just gets absolutely caked in dust inside, and then just self-destructs and just stops working. They're just really, really, really bad consoles. And then when it goes wrong, everything is inside this block of aluminium. So they're just impossible to work on as well, because you literally have to take all this out, take that block out, work on the block, put it all back together and test it. You can't just, they're a nightmare to even test when they're in bits, because they all go, the boards connect through this. Like, it's just a nightmare. They're horrible, horrible consoles. So once you've taken all the power supply and all that stupidity off, you can then take the rest of it off and get to this lower board. And of course there's more stuff to take off. And then finally you eventually get to this, which basically goes on there like that. This is why it's such a pain in the arse to get to for, because you have to do all that just to get to that port there. So yeah, fun. Another reason they're a pig is because the board is that thick that you have to use so much heat. You can't get them off even with the 450C, so you have to blast it, basically put loads of low melt solder paste on so you can actually even get the port off. And after getting the port to the temperature of the sun, it eventually comes off. It's all cleaned up, ready to put this. Here we go. Job done. It's a pain, but say, got there in the end. Get it all put back together now. Let's get all this heatsink compound off first, and then we should be ready. Right, there's the aluminium slug back together. It's got to get it back in the case. That's the waste paper bin back together. Does it work? Hey, we're on and working. Beaut, another successful repair.